Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to do a quick program for you where I'm going to remove words from a text file. So I've got the text file here and got some words in it, so I'm going to remove the emails from here. Okay, so I've just started off already, so I've created a function. I've imported the OS up here and I've also imported the time module which you'll be using in this program. So I've created the function called remove words. I've created a variable called path and assigned it to my desktop path. This here is my own unique desktop path. It's not your desktop path. You will have to find your own unique desktop path. Once we've done that, we use the OS module, os.chdr, change directory into this path. So now we will be in this path where the file is located, which is on my desktop. I've created a file name variable here and assigned it to input and printed out a message to the user telling the user to enter the file name. Now I've created another variable called remove word, assigned it to input and printed out a message to the user saying enter word to remove. So we enter the file name and then we enter the word to remove. Now I've come down onto the conditional using if. So if os.path.exists, the file name, so if this file name exists, we're going to do something about that. We're going to print a message to the user and we're going to use the f string here to format the string, and that's simply going to be file name. So it will print out the file name that we've inputted exists. And then we're going to just pause it. Should we pause it? Nah, we'll just go straight on to the else. We don't need to pause it there. Else, and this is the catch-all, print. Let's have a look here. So format the string here, file name doesn't exist. So if we can't find the file name, then it doesn't exist. Right, okay, what we're going to do now, let me just remove that. That was a little bit of a typo there. Okay. Right, what we're going to do now, we're going to use with open. Oh, what's happened here? I've changed the characters. How have I managed to do that? Okay, that's better. Okay, so with open, then we're going to type in file name. So it's going to open the file, and we're going to open the file for reading as a file object. Then we're going to create a variable here called contents, and we're going to assign it to file object .read, so we're going to read it. Okay, so we've opened the file and we're going to read it here. Contents. Okay, so we're opening it to read, and then we're going to open it to write. So this is going to be with open. Again, the file name. Yeah, I should stop doing that. It's very annoying. Okay, done it again. I don't know a way to turn this off actually. If you know, let me know in the comments below. Okay, so that's right as file object. So we're going to write to it. So we're going to do file object. Let me just pull this up here a little bit. So this is file, object, dot write, contents. Okay. But I've missed out something here, so what I should have done is done a variable called contents, assign that to contents dot replace. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove it and we're going to replace. So we've got remove word here. So the word that we typed in above, we're going to remove it and we're going to replace it with this, which is going to be a white space. So we've got contents is assigned to contents.replace remove word that we inputted in here, and we're going to remove it and replace it with an empty space. Then we're going to open the file and we're going to write the contents to it. And once we've done that, we're going to print out a final message, print words removed. Okay. Right, let's just save that. Okay. So what's the file name called? I think it's called emails.txt. Yeah. Okay, so let's just save that. Let's just we need to run the program, so we need to call it. So it's called remove words. Slight adjustment. So I've gone into the text file again, so I'm going to make this a little bit clearer. So these emails are here. We have emails. Okay, so I'm going to save that. So what we're going to do is we're going to just remove emails here. Okay, here we go. Let's just run that. So the file name is going to be emails.txt. Okay, remove emails, hit enter, words removed. Let's go and check the file. Emails have been removed from here. So there you go, everybody. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I'm glad you enjoyed that, and remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the subscription button below, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye bye.